Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the M Performance side decal for your car. This should work for many other BMWs in a lineup. What came in my packaging was 2 black decals and 2 M Performance stickers. Alright, so once you've cleaned your car thoroughly, what we're going to do next is rub it down with some isopropyl alcohol and some lint-free paper towel, and just rub down the side sills where the adhesive is going to be going. Preparing the surface may seem like an obvious part of the vinyl installation process, but oftentimes it's the most obvious steps that people miss. Once you're done wiping down the side of the car with alcohol, what we're going to do next is spray it down with some baby soap. We're just going to lightly mist it, just the areas we're going to work on. So we're going to peel back a little bit of the vinyl here. Just take your time here because you want to make sure the sticky side of the vinyl doesn't touch the ground. As you can see, there is a mist of lubrication on the car. You won't have to drench the car in lubrication, as that'll be more air pockets to push out later on. What I like to do here is follow the top of the contours on the side sill. That way I can use it as a reference point and keep my vinyl straight and linear throughout the process. I like to keep the black vinyl attached to the backing paper and peel as I need. That way it'll be easier to work on and I won't have the excess touching the floor and ruining the finish. Since we're using the wet method, you can pull back the vinyl as many times as you need to adjust. Just make sure there's lubrication on the back because it'll become permanent once it dries. So once you've lined up the top of the vinyl, you can begin to squeegee out the air bubbles downwards. I found it easier to work from top down because it's easier to push out the air bubbles downwards where there's no contours. So once you've got everything lined up, you can grab a heat gun and a squeegee and just bring out the air pockets. Once you squeegee out the lubrication in the back, the vinyl becomes permanent. And for the excess at the end here, what you want to do is apply a heat gun to it and it should contour around the edge automatically. And just cut off the excess with an X-Acto knife. Once you finish that, there should still be a transparent layer on top of the black vinyl. I would wait at least an hour before peeling this off, so the decal has time to dry and it won't come off when you peel off the transparent layer. As for the white M Performance letters, I would wait at least 12 hours so it dries out completely before applying. Thanks for watching my how-to video. I'll be making more in the future if you guys want to check it out.